ride on the train.
This is Vondel Park. This is a baby, and I feel really funny with the...
To the park, Nona.
Nona Park.
I know it's the dump.
We're in Museum Platz. We just left Vondel Park. It's a long park, and there is a playground. It was at the far end, and there was a lot of walking, and I don't like walking, so Nona took Leo, and we're gonna go find a museum. What's it called? Rijksmuseum. There's the Van Gogh Museum over there.
That's the right. Yeah.
There's another museum over there. So we're gonna do one, I think, not 3 museums today. This is what we do at museums.
Do you want to come see the part up in the tree? Really done.
It really is cool.
Yeah.
I'd like to see it. Maybe we can go again tomorrow and the next day and the next day.
Wow.
No.
How was the park? What did you see?
Yeah. It was dirty over there because my hands are dirty because the dust dirty.
The skate park was dirty.
Yeah.
All right, we just got done with the Rijksmuseum. It's art, history, all sorts of fun stuff. Amsterdam, history. I already said history. But Leo was at the park. Leo, how's the park? Come here.
Good.
It was a good park?
Yeah. Because that is dirty because I went over there because it's not dirty.
Leo was at the park with Nona, and we went to the museum, and now we need to get some food.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah, because we're there.
Yeah.
My hands are dirty.
What do you think about Amsterdam so far?
Yes. We're in Amsterdam.
We're in Amsterdam right now. But the museum was fun. We did about half of it. It took us 2 hours. It's probably an all-day thing, but we don't have all day. We got other things to do. Maybe a boat ride next?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Going down the canal. Going through a tunnel. Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and 2, 3, 4.
No, I'll hold it. What?
I take a beta! Beta! When another canoe! Really, it's way over there. We're not gonna run now. Where we at?
We're in Amsterdam,
Amsterdam.
and we're on a blue boat canal tour of the city. And we're going through tunnels. And it's awesome. You think it's pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty fun. I like it.
There's a blue boat, and then this is our.
This is our boat.
After we're gonna go on this boat, we're gonna go.
You want to get out of the boat? I didn't see it. Here we go. We're out in the open. There it is, going back up the tunnel.
Back under the tunnel.
All right, just got done with our boat tour. Now we're headed to Central to see the big castle and stuff. On a big street. Lots of people. Leo's sleeping. Jovi's not sleeping. So we made it to Dam Central. It's a nice place to look around. There's the castle, Royal Castle over there. You can pay money to go look at their castle. And there's a national monument over there and a bunch of stores to shop at. But it just started raining here, so we need to find somewhere to eat fast. And Leo's still sleeping right there, all covered up, nice and cozy. I really like the ceiling. Where are we going, Leo? Fire truck coming? We're going to the Nemo
Museum.
Children's Museum. For the kids.
The kids.
For playing.
Playing.
It's gonna be awesome. There's the Nemo right there. There's the city. There's some more of the city.
Are there any people visiting here? Yeah, well, that's nothing.